welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria, I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin brand, my work body. And in this video I will design clothing line for James Charles. Because, James, you are so creative person. You create such an amazing makeup looks. So why is your clothing line so boring? Just sister's name printed on the hoodies and that's all? Where is idea, design, creativity, something new and fresh and exciting? So I want to give a couple of advices. I'm not a fashion designer, but since James Charles clothing line is all about basic clothes like hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, there is nothing to design. But at least these clothes could have some creative print. So I created a couple of designs. Designs which I can paint on clothes in a very cool way, and I'm not sure that these designs can be printed the same way, but I'm sure there are some possibilities to make something close to the designs. And my idea is to use James Charles makeup looks as a reference for clothes design. And if you will say how is it possible and how it will look like, here is the example. This video I posted 1 month ago and has only 24 views. But I don't care because this video is beautiful and this shot is beautiful, and it is an example how James Charles makeup look can be transferred to the clothes. And this design can be printed on the t-shirt, on the hoodie, and it will look so creative. Oh, this makeup look of James Charles, iconic makeup look. And here is a sketch I drew. Imagine white hoodie or black hoodie, white brush strokes or black brush strokes, or in rainbow colors, and sister's name printed here. Oh, this makeup look of James Charles, same way I see it on the white hoodie or black hoodie, moon and stars, so beautiful. Oh, this one, lightnings. And for you to understand what I'm talking about, I will paint this design on the white hoodie and you will see how amazing and creative it will look like. And yes, I want to stop boringness of YouTubers merch, because YouTubers put so much creativity to their videos, but when it comes to the merch, it's like, oh. Yes, it is. So let's create the most amazing hoodie inspired by James Charles makeup look. Let's get started. So bread is ready and I'm ready, and this is white hoodie I will paint on. It's a cotton hoodie. And first of all, let me quickly explain to all the new viewers what is going on here to prevent questions like how you will wash this hoodie and will the paints wash off. I hear a lot of such questions. So I will use fabric paints and this hoodie will be washable and you can wash it as many times as you can wash printed clothes. And yes, that's it. It will be washable. So for painting, I will use fabric paints of the French brand PBO. More information about fabric paints I use you can find in the video. I will put the link of it to the description below. I will use white color, blue color, black, purple, and also I will use this blue color. It's a shimmer electric blue color because James Charles makeup has this metallic shine, so this color will be perfect to create such shine on the hoodie. And let's make this video as a tutorial video, because if you watch makeup tutorials and if you know how to apply eyeshadows, you will be able to create such hoodie too, because it's not as hard. And I will create gradient effect. In here I will paint with dark colors. I will mix blue, purple and black, and then I will fade this color and I will show you now how I will make it. So let's get started. And now I mix blue, purple and black colors and I will paint the top of the hoodie. And also I pay attention to don't paint the hood because I want it to stay white. I use big flat brush for painting. And now I'll use this blue electric color and I will blend it into this dark color And as I said, if you have ever watched makeup tutorials and if you are familiar with eyeshadows blending, it is the same technique. You should blend these colors into each other to make the line between two colors disappear. The fabric of this hoodie is not the easiest one, it's not so smooth, so I will have to put 2 or 3 layers of fabric paint to cover the fabric. And now I mixed this blue electric color with white color to paint the bottom of my gradient. Also, I add a bit purple color to the middle of the gradient to make it a bit more colorful. And the same way I paint the back of the hoodie. And painting of gradient is finished. I love it already, so beautiful. And now I'll paint lightning. And I will use white fabric paint and small size brush. Lightning looks like a vein or branch of the tree. And now I will use medium-sized brush to create the light of the lightnings, and my brush is so dry and just a small amount of white paint on it. And painting is finished! So sisters, let me know your opinion. Which hoodie do you prefer? Hand-painted hoodie inspired by James Charles' makeup look, or James Charles hoodie with sister's name printed on it? And also guys, do you know, is it even possible to make such print on the hoodie? And I'm not talking about these cheap polyester hoodies, no. Such good quality hoodie, is it possible to make such print on it? And anyway, if you can print it, you can paint it. And hit the like button to support my art. And if you are new in here, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye!